We just put hairless cats in vacuum chambers wearing prototype thermal suits. I'm part of a team testing next-gen temperature regulation for long-duration space missions. Sphynx cats lose heat faster than any other breed, which makes them perfect analogs for human thermal stress. But in a vacuum, you can't rely on air for cooling or insulation. So these suits use microtubing filled with temperature-controlled fluid that adapts in real time. The cat's core temperature stayed within 0.3 degrees for 6 hours straight. Turns out the hardest part wasn't the tech, it was convincing the cats to stay still.